What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the journey. Today is September 25th, Monday. We're on the ES chart, 2000 tick interval, and yeah, let's get into it. This is what the charts look like when I opened up NinjaTrader this morning. You can see from last week to over the weekend to where it opened today, we've kind of dropped pretty significantly. Just down towards the bottom over here, we were pretty high not pretty high. We actually kind of just continued to keep going down last week, but you can see just where we are. And then we had this sharp drop overnight, pre-market, and you can see now where we're at, kind of bouncing around, which looks like maybe a range structure, but we'll see. Today I got some good news, and I passed my evaluation today with today's trade. I took one trade today and was able to reach the mark of passing the evaluation. So today's going to be a shorter video because as soon as I made my trade and saw that I got over what I needed to get over, I got off. And so now I'm just awaiting instructions from the firm to see what the next steps are to get my PA account. And yeah, so as you can see though, today kind of opened up, and I thought maybe I might get a little trading range here. So I put this bar at the bottom because we got that bounce right there and then another bounce going up. So maybe, just maybe, we might be getting another bounce. And then I would hopefully get a high probability set of taking that triple test. But it didn't do that. It decided to go its own direction and go up. And it looked like it started becoming more of like a little range. I noticed a little second entry long right there because I had this initial channel going up, and it broke that channel. Did a first entry and then a second entry to the EMA, and shot up right there. So that was a decent second entry long, maybe. Then I thought maybe it's a little bit of a wider channel because it still continued to go up. And this is where my first trade was today. I took a failed second entry short. It was honestly an interesting trade. Kind of hesitant at first, but you can see our first entry from the second entry long. We have our first entry, and then at the second entry, that big bearish bar going down, and then we have this green bar right here, and then that's when I noticed it kind of hit the trend line and the EMA, and then it started going up. And so I'm like, you know what, I'm going to enter this, see what happens. And at first I was playing with my heart and soul, but I moved my runner up, and it stayed there for a little bit, and then hit my 4 ticks, filled my order, and then some. This actually turned out to be a pretty decent move. It actually went, I think, a little bit higher than where I closed my runner at. So I closed my runner a little early because I just saw the $100. I'm like, you know what, out of here. But you can see I was kind of in that trade for a little bit. I slowed it down to real time, so you can see I was kind of in that trade for a bit. But it then did fill my order. So yeah, and this ended up being a decent trade, as you'll see. But that was pretty much it today, guys. I just did this, got my passed my evaluation count. Now I just gotta hear back from Apex, from the firm, and see what the next instructions are. So I might not put up a video tomorrow because it's you have to wait a day to get your PA account, and they said you can't trade anymore, or you shouldn't trade anymore on the evaluation account. But yeah, so possibly no video tomorrow. I actually may post another video explaining more of the kind of trades, like what I'm looking for in my trades. But yeah, just a heads up. But if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and subscribe. I enjoyed seeing all the comments. I didn't realize I couldn't see the responses to the comments, but now I'm going to respond to all the comments. I do appreciate all of them. But thank you. I hope everybody that did trade today had a good trading day. Hope everybody has a great day. And I'm going to leave my most recent video here and then my subscribe button on the right. So please do that. And yeah, so I'll catch everybody in the next video, maybe tomorrow or maybe most likely on Wednesday. It's going to be the for sure one. But yeah, hope everybody has a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.